Hi, I'm Joshua. I'm 15 and I built Elite 1600 because of what I noticed while studying for the SAT. I was using GPT, practice tests, and websites, but none of them shared what they learned about me. Every time I switched websites, I started over. I also realized that getting a question right didn't always mean I understood it. Sometimes I would guess correctly, then miss three questions testing the same concept later. What actually improved my score was inspecting every mistake, learning the deeper why, not just memorizing an answer, and then proving I understood it again. So in the last week, I used Codex and GPT 5.6 to build plan, train, evidence importing, and the student model, and connect them into one learning loop. Elite 1600 brings the students' data together, finds what they should work on next, and checks whether their understanding changed. Here's Maya. Her data is scattered across screenshots, test results, and tutor notes. Plan brings it together in her student model. GPT 5.6 extracts information, and Maya can verify if it's correct or exclude it before it affects her training. Instead of only saying Maya got this question wrong, Elite 1600 notices a pattern. Maya repeatedly chooses answers that do not directly support by the text. Plan treats it as a hypothesis, not a conclusion, and sends it to train for a check. Before revealing the answer, Train captures Maya's confidence and reasoning. That helps separate a misconception from a careless mistake or even a lucky guess. The answer key determines whether or she was correct, while GPT 5.6 analyzes her reasoning and reflection to estimate why she answered that way. Then Maya re-explains the principle in her own words using the Feynman method, receives feedback, and applies it to her new questions. That updates the student model. Plan shows what is expected, what Maya demonstrated, and what still needs checking. One successful correction is useful, but it does not prove mastery. Elite 1600 uses spaced review to keep checking the skill over time. I built this in a week because GPT 5.6 reasons over evidence, while Codex help connect the system and turn my vision into a working, tested code. Elite 1600 doesn't just generate explanations. It builds an evidence-backed model from a student's behavior, so every new piece of evidence makes the next learning decision smarter.